The traffic light has three colors: red, yellow, and green colors. A red color means stop. A yellow color means to slow down. A green color means we can go. When we cross the street, we have to check the traffic lights. The traffic light has three colors: red, yellow, and green colors. A red color means stop. A yellow color means to slow down. A green color means we can go. When we cross the street, we have to check the traffic lights. The traffic light has three colors: red, yellow, and green colors. A red color means stop. A yellow color means to slow down. A green color means we can go. When we cross the street, we have to check the traffic lights.